Good morning, my beloved students. How are you today? Okay, fine. Nice to meet you. Um, Before we start our lesson today, let us pray to our God. Okay, right, class. Today we'd like to learn about degree of comparison. So in Indonesian we can say tingkat perbandingan. Okay, the degree of comparison. So we can compare one thing to another or one people. Okay, like that. As we know that degree of comparison have three types, right? The first one is a positive, then a comparative, the third one is about superlative ya, tingkat biasa, positif, tingkat lebih, dan tingkat paling yang dinamakan superlatives. Okay, so today class we have to learn in a more specifically about superlatives degree. So, superlatives is used when you want to compare three or more things, people, qualities, or identify which one has the highest degree of the quality being described. The superlative is typically formed by adding est to an adjective or by using word most before adjective, right? Okay, next about the pattern. The pattern of superlative degree are the pattern. So in rumusannya, the first one is about subject plus adjective plus est. Okay, we have to put or we have to adding est if the adjective here have one until two syllable ya. Apabila kata sifat tersebut memiliki 1 sampai 2 suku kata, sehingga kita harus menambahkan akhiran est ya, est. Okay. As you see on the slide ya, seperti contoh, for example on the slide, kita ambil contoh kata sifat tall ya, tinggi. Okay. Adjective tall, so we can compare ya, kita banding ke tingkat lebih, berarti kita bisa membandingkan dengan benda yang lain ya. Taller, lebih tinggi, and the first one is a tallest ya, superlative dia lebih paling tinggi ya. Okay, as you see on the slide ya. Okay, the first one about subject, adjective plus most. Okay, why we have to use most? If the adjective here have more than 2 syllables. Okay, apabila kata sifat tersebut memiliki 2 suku kata atau lebih, sehingga sebelum kata sifat tersebut kita harus menggunakan atau kita harus bubuhkan kata most. Contoh, adjektifnya expensive ya, mahal. Okay, expensive, so memiliki lebih dari 2 suku kata. Okay, expensive, so lebih mahal, more expensive, and paling mahal itu most expensive ya, as you see on the slide. Okay, next about 2 syllables adjectives ending in y ya, letter y ya. Apabila kata sifat tersebut yang memiliki 1 sampai 2 suku kata yang endingannya, yang akhirannya huruf y, kita bisa merubah ya. We can change the letter y to est ya. Okay, to form the superlative. Okay, for example, adjective happy ya, kata sifat bentuk biasanya happy, so we are going to comparative happier ya, more happier. Okay, and in superlative happiest ya, paling bahagia ya. Jadi dari bentuk biasa bahagia, happy, terus ke tingkat lebih happier, lebih bahagia, and in superlative itu paling bahagia ya, happiest. So happy, happier, happiest ya. Okay, the next about 3 syllables or longer adjective. For most 3 syllables or longer adjective, the superlative is formed by adding most before the adjective. Okay, as I have to explain you before ya, kata sifat di mana memiliki 3 suku kata atau lebih, dia menggunakan kita harus menggunakan kata most ya sebelum kata sifat tersebut. For example, adjective ya, kata sifatnya beautiful ya, yang memiliki 3 suku kata, 3 syllables. So we are going to comparative tingkat lebih itu more beautiful ya, more. So in superlative itself we can add most before adjective ya, most beautiful, paling cantik ya. So lebih cantik, paling cantik. Okay, the first Oke, the next about irregular adjective ya, kata sifat yang tak beraturan. Some adjective have irregular forms for the comparative and superlative degrees and don't follow the standard patterns ya. Jadi kata sifat yang tidak beraturan di sini artinya dalam tingkat lebih atau tingkat paling dia tidak mengikuti susunan atau pattern yang ada ya. Oke, for example, the adjective good ya. Oke, adjective good itu it means in Indonesian baik, so we can compare in comparative degree, tingkat lebih. Okay, not good but better ya, better. Okay, and we're going to superlative itself. It saying become a best ya. So good, better, best, baik, lebih baik, paling baik. Okay. As the example, you are my best friend. Okay, kamu adalah teman terbaikku ya. Like that. Okay. Next about conclusion ya. The choice between using est or most depends on the specific adjective you are using. Oke, kita memilih atau est atau most itu bergantung kepada kata sifat mana yang kita pakai ya. Oke, adjectives with one or two syllables often use est, or more than two syllables is use word most. Oke, as I have to explain you before ya. Kata sifat mana yang memiliki dua suku kata itu kita pasti menambahkan est ya, dan lebih dari dua suku kata kita harus bubuhkan kata most sebelum kata sifat tersebut ya. Oke. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you.